Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Saif, you wanted to add something to that?
No, I thought, the space area of the government, has been pretty great.
Okay.
What's been happening recently with the
Yes.
Mars mission and everything.
Yes.
Medicine and sciences.
Definitely.
Even the way, quite visually, the way garbage has been treated in
Yes.
recent times, at least the areas that I've grown up in. When I was a kid, there was so much garbage. Now you don't actually see much. In fact,
Yeah.
even our city and our area was notoriously, it
Yeah.
can still be better, and we're all working towards that in some area. But in most areas, in a lot of areas,
Yeah.
there's been massive improvement.
Definitely. That
You
brings
know.
me so many stories we come across where people are saying, I am fed up of seeing this garbage on my footpath. I'll just do something about it. They're making WhatsApp groups, getting the entire colonies together, working, and it's clean overnight.
Versova Beach being one of
Yes.
the greatest examples. I mean, I've lived there all my life, and I remember there used to be a heap of kachra
Yeah.
on that beach, and literally bi-weekly people come together and they themselves collect all of it. And obviously, we have the government, we have the municipality officials also. They've also joined the movement, and it's just a very great initiative of keeping our city clean.
Yes. Yeah.
Of all the garbage.
Yeah, definitely. Mr. Chugh, you want to add something?
Yeah, so when you look at, one is, on the space front, the kind of initiatives under different governments and the kind of, leap we have taken on the space front, which is really phenomenal. Today, different countries are asking us to launch their satellites, which is really phenomenal achievement. Again, through various initiatives during different governments, when you look at 2020, we would be having at least 700 million smartphones.
Yes.
Imagine the kind of digitalization which has happened over a period of time. So
in
it's
villages
really
in
phenomenal.
India,
Yeah.
Smart
because-
people, not smartphones.
In villages
Smarter people,
in-
smartphones. Yeah.
Smartphones are also making people smart. Yes. Go ahead, Bhumi. Sorry.
I shoot extensively in rural India. My films are such. And it amazes me how all of them have a smartphone, but they don't have toilets. Now, this is a thing that's kind of close to me because
Yeah.
I've done a film around sanitation. And just speaking of development, just how much we've progressed where the sanitation bit of India is concerned.
Yes.
And again, getting the whole feminism or women empowerment angle to it,
Yeah.
how women now have the courage to kind of fight any kind of prejudice that comes their way, from sanitation to education to illiteracy to dowry to feticide. I mean, this definitely, we've come a long, long, long way since our
Yes.
independence.
Agree.
There are such amazing stories that we've come through. Sorry, sir. No, please tell me. Absolutely, the
Yes,
Me Too movement. I
definitely.
mean, who could have thought that a few years ago, if a girl would have done this, she would have been ridiculed.
Definitely.
Today, she is encouraged, she's given power, she is celebrated,
Hmm.
and she has motivated a lot more people to come out in public with their stories, and it is
Yeah.
just amazing. I, as a girl, feel a lot more secure today. When I think of all the stories that my mom told me, or all the incidents that my aunts or people in my family or people that I know of went through, I feel like, okay, we are in a better place, and I really hope that the future generations feel a lot more secure.
That's a great answer. To feel a lot more secure, to be in a country where you know that your voice will be heard whenever you say something. We'll go to talking about, how, we all said, right, every individual has the power to do something and create an impact in the country. So I want to ask you guys, how do you think, what kind of work can you do? How do you plan to work towards making India better by, say, 2024? Saif, you want to take that?
I think applying things that we talk about in a more active way, whether in all spheres of life, like you say, like spreading and practicing knowledge and awareness, behaving a bit more green, things like this, like practical
Yes.
application
Yes.
of these ideas,
Definitely. Definitely. Bhumi?
I think just by becoming a good example for your ecosystem, just adding to what Saif said, being more responsible towards your environment, being a better human being, showing compassion towards others, showing empathy towards others, I mean, we need to get out of our bubble, you know,
Yeah.
especially the urban classes, because we have a certain amount of comfort that maybe other parts of our country don't. And we need to realize that we are in a place of privilege and we shouldn't take that for granted. You know,
Sorry,
so
can I
if,
just add to something I was
Yes,
saying?
please.
No, just like, I think to be aware what an Indian citizen is, basically,
Hmm. Yeah,
right? What does
yeah.
it mean? To do a little thinking, really, what it means to be an Indian citizen, and how to apply that.
Yeah.
I was speaking generally.
Yeah.
Sorry. That's just it. Yeah.
Definitely.
and I think as actors, a very good way that we can do that is through our work. And I think that's what I'm sure we all are trying to do in our own ways, that, you know, try and influence people through whatever work we can do. That's the way we serve our country. But that's
Yes.
a more generic, that's a more macro way of looking at it. You know, personally, as I even said earlier, just behaving in a certain way that people around you get influenced by you and get inspired by you, just becoming a great example.
Yes.
And today we have so many, and you know, even if you come down to social media and the kind of amazing, inspiring stories that you come through, I mean, I've always learned something from a great revolution that happens. And you
Yes.
know, we in our own way should try and become that revolution in our ecosystem.
Yeah. I think that extends to what Saif also said, showing what a good citizen can be like through your actions, right? Yeah. Mr. Chuk?
Yeah, completely agree. So as a citizen, you know, influencing the life of people around you, helping them evolve in the society, and you know, getting the best out of them, and really making them evolve as a good Indian citizen.
Yes.
I have a personal example to share here. My driver, in fact, I hate calling him driver, he's more like a younger brother. So he's been with me for 10 years, and over a period of time, you know, we discussed that, okay, how long will you continue me? What is your future aspiration? Slowly, I kept discussing, and I realized that this guy has passion to move beyond driving, and he wants to do something for his own. He comes from Uttarakhand. Now he's working as a store manager, you know. It took me some time to help him imbibe few things, help him learn few things. You know, for example, he used to drop me, then he has to do 3 hours left with him. So I used to tell him, go and study, at least do this sort of a basic education so that, you know, you can actually move to next level. Today he's very happy and he's saying, okay, I'm managing this store. Maybe whenever you open, you know, a store in Uttarakhand, I would like to go and manage that. And, you know, through him, the objective is that his family evolves, and then, you know, now he's also able to help his kids study in a better school. So
That's
it's
so
about,
cool.
you know, it's not about who is where in society. It is about wherever you are, people
Yeah.
around you, how do you empower them? How do you contribute towards their upliftment? And that is how you contribute towards the economy, which is evolving very fast.
Really cool, really cool. Siddhant?
It starts from micro, it goes from micro to macro, adding to Saif sir and Bhumi. Starts right at your home. I mean, you can teach people around you. You can, it's very basic thing, do your laundry, just make your bed. Starts with that.
Yes.
And then you can teach people about, or tell them, make them aware, show them what's happening, what might happen if, you know, if you don't vote, or if you don't, you know, show up. Even if you're not, you don't, you know, you're not inclined towards one party, you can go and none of the above, nota, you know,
Yeah.
that's an option now. So, but you know, just going and expressing that, listen, this is my country and I'm going to choose. Even if I'm not going to choose any party, but I'm going to choose my, I'm going to express myself through this because these are the people who are going to take care of me.
Yeah.
And I will choose them. So it starts from micro to macro where I think in schools, so I have grown up in the suburbs. So in schools, the emphasis is on studies more,
Yeah.
not cultural activities, you know.
Yeah.
Theater and, you know, painting and, and these play a very important role. And in India, Bollywood, films is a very huge medium, you know.
Yeah.
And through that we can speak a lot.
Definitely.
Like Bhumi's film, it had a huge message, but the
Yes.
town where I belong from is called Bhalia. It's near Banaras. It's a
Yeah.
very small town. वहाँ पे एक ही theater है. वहाँ पे, and we need more theaters. We need more because we have to acknowledge the fact that it's a very huge medium.
Yeah.
So we need to push it culturally so that we can, you know, whatever message, good message we have, we can, you know, channelize it through that. And we have OTT platforms now.
Yeah.
We have web, and everybody's consuming, everybody's watching. And that's the most of the time spent on the phone. So why not make them aware whatever about our environment
Yeah.
or wildlife preservation or the forests. It could be through this, and it'll only happen if we expand as an industry and not only focus on the commercial films, but also make films which are very, socially relevant.
Sure.
So that will only happen if we, we need more theaters, we need film schools, we need to give voice to our people. Like there's a song in Gully Boy called Azadi, which is about how,
Yeah.
the Sarkar, and there's a song in Sacred Games by Divine, ki रास्ते में खड्डे नहीं खड्डों में रास्ते हैं
Yes.
छाती है छोड़ी क्योंकि बम्बई हर सांस में है. But that's what it is. Like these are one-liners which stick with, and but you're getting aware.
Yeah.
And if you think about it, exactly, it's what's happening.
There's a lot of power.
Yeah.
I even think about like sessions like these, right? I don't remember them happening when I was in college. To make college students sit and talk about why voting, why elections, why democracy. It's so important. These sessions add so much to this. Overall, this has added so much to this. I've taken so much away from you guys. From Mr. Chugh about how you can impact your immediate influential circle. Siddhant, who wants to focus on how to expand India culturally and take that field forward. Saif, who wants to focus on how you can take the passion that you have and run with it. And how Bhumi is talking about how young people are the tomorrow. आप लोग नहीं करोगे तो कौन करेगा? I think those are great points, guys. Thank you so much for joining us today. Thank you, and thank you for sharing these points. Let's give a big round of applause to them.